Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein, oil and sugar free laddus for weight loss. These laddus are super healthy and gives an instant energy boost and can be had as a quick snack in your weight loss journey. These laddus are grain free, meaning there are no wheat, rice, oats or millets in this laddu, and they help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, hence an ideal energy snack for weight loss and weight management. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make oil and sugar free laddus, into a cast iron pan, I'm adding in 1 cup of grated coconut. And I'm lightly toasting the coconut. So you need to toast the coconut on medium to low flame until the coconut starts to turn light golden brown in color. This laddu is an ideal energy snack. So basically I am dry roasting the coconut since I'm not using any added oil in this laddu. And the best thing about this laddu is that it does not have any added sugar or added oil. And it is a completely grain-free laddu. I'm not using any grains like rice, oats or wheat or even millets in this laddu. It's a completely grain-free laddu. Now the reason why I'm toasting or roasting the coconut is to help the laddus preserve well for a couple of days. If you use fresh coconut, the laddu may stay good only for 1 or 2 days. But if the coconut is roasted lightly, the laddus will stay good for longer time. Okay, now the coconut has started to turn light golden brown. At this stage, I'm turning off the flame and I'm transferring the coconut to another plate. And I'm going to allow this to cool down. While the coconut is cooling down, I'm crushing 10 cardamoms. Once the cardamoms are crushed, peel off the skin. The flavor of a freshly ground cardamom is amazing in this laddu, so try not to skip using cardamom. And now I'm going to grind the seeds to a fine powder. And my freshly ground cardamom powder is ready. The next main ingredient is half cup of flax seeds. I have added the flax seed into my small chutney grinder. Flax seeds are high in omega-3s, lignans and fiber. Flax seeds are also rich in protein, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, fiber, lignans, among other nutrients and minerals. Since flax seeds are energy dense and helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, these laddus will make you feel full and therefore helps in weight loss and weight management. So I'm going to grind this into a fine powder. Okay, now I have ground the flax seeds. Next I'm using soft medjool dates. This is about 12 to 13 dates. I'm using soft medjool dates. Now into another slightly larger blender jar, this is a dry blender jar, I'm adding in the soft medjool dates. I'm removing the seeds and adding in the dates. Try to use soft dates for this recipe. I'm de-seeding the dates and adding into the blender. Into this add in the cooled and lightly roasted coconut. Add in the freshly ground cardamom powder, 2 pinches of pink Himalayan salt. Add in the ground flax seeds powder. Flax seeds powder is also known as flax meal. Next add in 1/4 cup raisins. Now it's the raisins and dates which gives the sweetness to this laddu. You can adjust dates and raisins as per your taste. There are no grains like wheat, rice, millets or oats in this laddu. It's a completely grain-free, sugar and oil-free laddu. A perfect laddu to boost your energy. You can call this as a high-protein energy ball or a high-protein laddu. And now I'm going to grind this coarsely. And now everything is nicely ground. So I'm transferring it into another plate. And now I'm just pinching off small lemon sized balls and I'm rolling it into small laddus. Very healthy, very quick, no added sugar, no added oil, no grains, gluten free, vegan laddu is ready. Roll into small laddus and keep it aside. Also, I have not greased my hand with any oil or desi ghee. The healthy fats in the coconut makes the laddu non-greasy, hence it will not stick to your hand, as you can see, and also will give a light shininess to the laddu. And my healthy oil and sugar free laddus are ready to serve. This laddu will stay good for up to a week in an airtight glass container. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.